It's a sad, sad day and morning for Miriam Wamuthungu as she shares some very sad news kuria aigirite nenda-ini yake mana ukoro ageiturura kiana maithori make na agikiuga ma death is so cruel. Death has robbed them of a very, very loving person. Meta family ni maguthitwo igutha inene muno na agicakaya na oho gukaira ma fans na a Kenya as she makes a special appeal to them after this painful loss. Na oho mundu ungi uremetwo kuitha kia giake ni Wahu wa Karithi uria onake acakaite gikuo kia matigire na ruo runene muno, the death of her dad, na it was his first anniversary 2 days ago. Na Wahu wa Karithi agithio na mbere gwitura ruo rwake na agikiuga it has not been easy. Her dad left them too soon, but she is thankful for the time she had with him, for the memories too, na she misses him every day. Dumilia Wahu to her dad agikiuga ma happy anniversary in heaven dad, I still think you left too soon, but I'm thankful for your time. The heavens is lucky to have you, and so was I. Your memory lives on in my heart. I miss you every day. Fafo wao arothio na mbere kuhuruka thayo, na Ngai arothio na mbere kumahe hinya Meta family. And Miriam Wamuthungu has now too lost a very great person in her life. Mundu uria akora agikiuga ma ni amatiga riria maramubatarite muno, na he has died due to cancer. Ni arakoretwo agomirwo ni ndwari ya cancer iria nginya yamutiga ena thiri, a pending hospital bill amounting to 1.5 million Kenya shillings. Na Miriam Wamuthungu magikiuga, death, you are so cruel. Cancer, you're a killing monster. Uncle, you left when most of us needed you most. It hits and it hurts. Tiohoro huroka oro #RIP. Miriam Wamuthungu has sadly lost her uncle by the name Mwalimu James Kiarie Kagoshe. Share this medical appeal to her fans, inviting them for a fund drive to raise 1.5 million Kenya shillings for the medical bills and burial arrangements as they prepare to send off her uncle. Urama urekitie kumatiga kiroko kiomuthe. Pole sana to Miriam Wamuthungu and her entire family. Anko yake arohuruka thayo, and may God be with them through these painful and difficult times.